Hello friends, good morning and welcome back to our new video. Today is the 9th May and we just came in the Gandhi Maidan for morning walk. We are going to start today's study session. So firstly, I had I have taken a biology book and we are seeing the lecture of ma'am. So currently we are studying cell, the unit of life, and after seeing the lecture I will make the notes and then tell you what enjoy this video. And if you new in this video, then subscribe our channel, also like the video and also tell about you what is going on your life study. If you have taken this batch, then comment me and say your experience about this batch. So our 12th lecture already had been finished. I have completed only 5 to 7. So I also have backlog. So after this I will complete the backlog. Currently I am seeing the online lecture. Today the lecture was cancelled after 2 hours. Then ma'am started the batch. So time is going on 8 p.m. and we are doing this chapter.